Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn to blend CVC words which ends with un sounds in them. Repeat the sounds after me. B, un, b, un, bun, f, un, f, un, fun, g, un, g, un, gun, un, un, none, un, un, run, s, un, s, un, sun. Well done. Now it's activity time. Pause this video to identify the blends in the grid. Here goes the first one. Bun. Try to find this word in the grid. Well done. Here goes the next one. Fun. That was too good. This should be an easy one for you. Gun. Wow, that was really quick. The next word is none. Great work. The upcoming word is run. Very nice. And the last word is sun. You did a great job. Had a very happy time teaching you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel because learning never ends. Bye.